Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the Zepbound model and firmware, and make sure the battery reads at least 50%. Put on gloves, wipe the cartridge port with an alcohol swab. Insert a pre-filled cartridge until it clicks, then power the unit and pair it to the control app or module. This is how the device verifies calibration. Once paired, watch the status LED, green means ready. Do this first because proper pairing prevents dosage errors later on. Once done priming, you run a 0.5 ml purge to expel air. This prevents air emboli and ensures accurate dosing. Next, set your dose and delivery rate in the app or on the dial, select precise units, then engage the safety lock so the unit cannot fire accidentally. Attach the needle, check the depth indicator and alignment marks, and confirm the mechanical lock snaps in. These middle steps guarantee consistent delivery and reduce user error during actual administration. You now administer. Position the device on the prepared site at 90 degrees unless protocol specifies otherwise, and press the activation button while holding steady. Keep holding for the full delivery time, monitor the progress bar or LED for completion. Partial release may underdose. Once the cycle completes, confirm the lock engaged and remove the needle carefully, using the safety cap. If dosing fails or LED flashes red, stop, reprime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.